There are thousands of different sauces out there, sweet and savoury, but I think hollandaise sauce would be in my top 5. But sometimes it can be a little rich, so I'm going to show you a technique to lighten it up using some pure cream. Now this is a basic hollandaise sauce. It's just the combination of some vinegar and some egg yolks. I've whisked it until it's really light and fluffy over a bain-marie, and then I'm slowly whisking in some clarified butter. Now using the clarified butter, it ensures that it stabilises the sauce and it doesn't split. Now once it becomes thick and glossy just like this, it's ready. So I'm taking it off the heat. Now for the pure cream. The pure cream has no thickeners whatsoever in it and it whisks really fast. So we'll pour it when it's nice and cold, and then with a separate whisk, we're going to whisk this to soft peaks. Moments later, we've got perfectly whipped cream. Now it's time to combine them both together. So I'll remove this whisk and remove the other whisk from the hollandaise. Now I'll add a third of this beautiful whipped cream into the hollandaise and then gently fold it in. A mousseline sauce can be done in so many different ways. You can mix it through mayonnaise to lighten it. You can mix it through different types of purees. What we're looking for is a gorgeous mousse-like finish. Now this style of mousseline goes perfectly with asparagus or some simple poached fish.